think this is where you could do with a Steadicam or a decent camera. I'm just using my phone at the moment. Anyway, this is my first PC build, 2018, and I'm using a Thermaltake View 31 case, tempered glass front, or should I say sides, both sides. Got a Corsair RM1000X power supply. I've got a 250 gigabyte SSD, which is a Samsung one. I've got Thermaltake RGB fans. I think I've got 5 of them in, yeah. 2 controllers to change whether I want different colours or whatever. It's got a Rampage 10 edition motherboard, all singing, all dancing, with all illumination running up and down and everywhere. It's got a NZXT cooler, which is the Kraken, which I've changed fans on because they weren't fantastic, so I put some Corsair ones on which were a bit more cooling power on them, which were also keeping my graphics card cool at the same time, which really helps, especially this time of year with this weather we're having. Graphics card, well, it's a 1080 Ti GTX Strix OC version. I have not had any other graphics cards, so I can only tell you what this is like. It's pretty awesome. Other than that, we've got some HyperX Fury 16 gigabyte RAM, and I've got some more hard drives, about 3 terabytes altogether. What else indeed? All custom built by myself, and I think, to be honest, for my first go, not done too bad. It runs, wow, how it should. Oh, I did forget about, yeah, it's got a Core i7 6800K. That's basically because that motherboard I got, or a bit limited to what I had in it, basically. It had to be an LG 2011 chipset. So, alright, well, only one I could afford, so that's that. Basically, I can run everything at 4K, 60 Hz, no issues whatsoever. Even your high-end games, your AAAs, should I say. So yeah, there you go. Thanks, and hope you enjoyed this little video, my first video, to be honest, in a long time. If you'd like to see more, or if you'd like any more information about my build, subscribe, and any questions I'll answer as soon as I can. Thank you.